A historic chapel's fate hangs in the balance after a legal battle and a massive restoration effort. But who will be its new guardian? The iconic Erskine Chapel in Wellington, New Zealand, is up for sale, marking the end of a long journey for developer Ian Castles and his company, the Wellington Company. This move comes after a $7 million-plus restoration, transforming the chapel into a stunning events venue. The sale is not just about finding a buyer, it's about finding a custodian who will cherish and protect this piece of history. The chapel's story is a dramatic one. Acquired in 2000 as part of the defunct Erskine College, the chapel faced an uncertain future as the company initially planned to clear the site for new homes. However, heritage groups fought back, leading to a costly court battle. The Environment Court's decision in 2018 allowed the company to demolish the school buildings but mandated the chapel's preservation and restoration. And preserve they did, with a meticulous process that took several years and the expertise of various specialists, including stonemasons and conservation architects. The result is a breathtaking example of French Gothic architecture, featuring intricate detailing, majestic arches, and stunning stained glass windows. The chapel's unique beauty and historical significance are undeniable, but the question remains, who will be its new steward? The ideal buyer, according to Sam Hooper, the Wellington Company's director of property, could be an events or hospitality business, a cultural institution, a philanthropic organization, or even a private individual seeking a nationally significant property. The chapel's versatility as a venue for weddings, funerals, and various events makes it a desirable asset. The sale comes at a pivotal moment, as the Wellington Company recently committed to restoring another heritage site, the Dixon Street social housing flats, which they acquired for a substantial profit. This juxtaposition of preserving the past while navigating financial opportunities adds a layer of complexity to the chapel's story. As the chapel awaits its new owner, the community wonders, will its heritage be respected and celebrated? And what does the future hold for this historic gem? The sale of Erskine Chapel is not just a real estate transaction, it's a passing of the torch, inviting a new chapter in its rich history.